It's Rachel here with WTI. I wanted to tell you about a hand cream that I really like. This is the Trader Joe's Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. Now, I love using this hand cream because I find that it moisturizes my hands. It soaks in really nice without being greasy. So if I'm working or something, I can use this, and right after, it's not going to transfer onto my computer or papers or anything like that because it isn't greasy. This cream feels like a very luxurious cream for a great price, and I think it's because it has coconut oil, hemp seed oil, and also shea butter, so it has very nourishing products and it doesn't contain parabens. I also like the tube that it comes in, and it makes it really easy to come out. So it's just a twist cap that opens up, and it's a very thick cream. You can see here, and I just need a little bit, so it's thicker. And if I just rub it in for about 5 seconds or so, you'll notice that my hands, after it's rubbed in here, they don't look greasy, and they don't feel greasy or sticky at all. They just feel very soft and moisturized. So if you're looking for a hand cream, give this one a try. You will absolutely love it. I love it, but that's just my point of view.